when it's like that over here, that ocean's gonna be choppy. Fish don't know the trouble they're in. Huh, the Cabrera sisters. Yep. The captain has to make sure that the crew gets on the fish finder is marking. Liz is getting her rigs lined up. There's a lot of dolphins here.
Although it did look black. And it was pointed this way.
Could be a cobia. The wrap is very good. Oh, the fish are in trouble. Maria's getting ready to unleash again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the North Florida Fishing Report out of Jacksonville, Mayport. Fishing the jetties. We just got here.
Maria, can you close the lid on the fish box? Thanks. Nice one, Mo. You got your rig squared away, Liz? Any rig that hooks up fish is a good rig. Don't have to be pretty, don't have to be ugly. Just has to be, hook them.
Yeah, but that's the problem.
Bring them in, put them in the fish box so we can eat them.
I didn't put
Take them home and cook them.
Didn't put long enough leader.
See, that dude is over there on the other side of the jetty. Thing is, right now they're scared of you, Maria. You gotta, you know, schmooze them a little bit. Let them get used to you. And then, boom, you lower the boom on them.
Okay. Now I'm ready. I'll put myself first. We gotta test out the live well. Don't let me forget to do that, babe.
Alright.
Test the live well before we leave. We don't need it now. I'll catch a dolphin, not a eating kind.
Don't get the mahi. That's the ones that we like.
You ever eaten that?
Man, that was the first time you cast it and you hooked that fish. That's luck. But you do that every time we come out.
But I don't know if something that is bad.
Uh-oh. Liz Cousteau just hooked something. South Florida Fishing Report. The South Florida Fishing Report. I could have told you that's for bottom fishing.
No, I wanted to bottom fish, but I don't like to.
But we're only in 15 feet of water. How can you bottom fish cast? Did you hook something or no?
My line's not coming in.
Tighten the drag. Uh-oh.
It's the same place, probably.
No, something ate it. There's a big fish out here. Something. See? You got a bigger one.
It's the same one.
It's the same one?
Yeah.
Coño. The South Florida Fishing Report, we just caught a whale.
I have no idea.
It's something.
Honey, can you get your the gloves on and get it off for me?
Hold on. Let me film this. Wow. She is hooked on to something again. Maria, you get something? The Cabrera sisters is terrorizing Jacksonville.
Turn off the motor so don't get the motor.
marlin. Holy smokies.
All these fish are just the same fish.
It's a wahoo. It's a marlin.
Did you let it go? No. Because I needed the glove so I could grab it. Oh, got it.
I gotta put the motor, so I gotta steer this thing.
Did it hold it?
What is it? Oh, it's the same fish.
It's the same fish.
The little fella, he was fighting for
Do
life.
you have the fucking...
Lunchtime on the USS Nisu. Oh, the girls are munching out. Watermelon, sandwiches, everything. Okay, let's see how my cast does. Holy smokies. It would help if I open. There we go. Woo! Way out there, baby. I can't reel or film. I didn't bring my GoPro. Let's go now. A big mahi mahi. Yo. You ready to go? I'm gonna film your cast. Oh, that one got hit.
What?
That one got hit.
I have the shark on there.
Oh, okay, might have swam a little bit. That shark will get hit by a bigger fish. That was a little one.
I just don't have a lot of room to cast here.
Just drop her. That's far enough right there. It is beautiful out here. Those are all the battleships. That place over there is full of battleships and submarines. Get that reel, I'm gonna get that fishing pole out of there as soon as you cast.
Yeah, it's in my way.
Yeah, I can see that. Nice. Liz, what are you doing Googling how to fish?
I'm trying to figure out what that fish is that I got down there.
Ooh, look at that dolphin right there.
Oh, it might be after my fish. There must be an app that you take a picture of the fish and it tells you what it is.
There is, but you gotta pay. Monthly. Whee! Way out there. Nice job. Okay, in the beautiful waterways of Jacksonville. Holy smokes! Look at the size of that bad boy. Carnival cruise lines. Another shark, another little. No, that's like a. Yeah, that's like a. I don't know what it is, really, to be honest with you. They come off the hook. Uh oh. There. It looks like a little trout. Like a speckled trout. Well, we just saw a great white shark near the jetties, hunting for fish. And now Sheila Ann is rolling by.
Hey, you said you found a Jacksonville pilot's con, you're on 13. Take it back to Jacksonville pilot, boat 16.
So there's a great white shark out here near the beach on the jetties.